Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will make the 2D elevation of this 2D plan. In my previous video, I have already drafted this 2D plan and I have given the link in the description. Also, I have made a 3D model of the same plan in SketchUp and the link is given in description. So in today's video, I will make the 2D elevation of the front view of this plan, and similarly you can make the elevation of all the walls. So let's start. So to start first, I will make a reference line. So to make a reference line, L, enter, and take the snap of this point slightly below and make the line with the help of taking the snap from this point, this way. Press the space bar or enter to come out of the command. So I will take 3 meter as the floor height. Let me remind you that this plan I have made it in meters. So again press the space bar to reactivate the last command, and then I will make a 3 meter line this way, and I will complete this this way. Now I will make this window. So to do so, I will make the reference line. So to make the reference line for the window, L, enter, and make line like this way. So I will take the sill level as 1 meter. So select this line and use the offset command, O, enter, and give the offset distance as 1 meter, 1, enter, and take the cursor above this way, as you get two options to offset. So take the cursor above and just click it. Again offset this line to get your lintel level. So this way I will get the lintel level as 2 meter and sill level as 1 meter. Now this rectangle is our window. So rest of the line I will trim it. So TR, enter, enter, and trim all the lines which you don't need. And I will delete these two lines. Remember, you can only trim the intersecting lines. Now this is our window. Now I will offset each side of this window for 1 centimeter. So 0.01 using the offset command, enter. Now this way I will offset each side. Now to make the proper corner, I will use the fillet command. For the fillet command, F, enter, and for multiple fillet, M, enter. Select the first line and then second line. Similarly, I will do for all the corners. This way. Now again I will use the offset for 1 centimeter to make our window frames. Again O, enter, 0.01, enter, and again I will offset it. Choose the line, go take your cursor above and click. This way I can offset it. And similarly again I will use the fillet command, F, enter, multiple fillet, M, enter to make proper corners. You can also use the trim command, but fillet command will be more accurate. And then L, enter, and I will draw a midline, and I will offset this. O, enter, for 0.01, 0.01, enter, and this way my window is ready. Now I will make the stairs of veranda. So again I will take the reference, L, enter, for this. You have to remember one thing, just keep an image in your mind that how your front view or any view which you are drawing in the elevation will look like. Now I will take the reference for the stairs. So how I am doing it, taking the snap from this point, and you can on the snap from this 3DO snap. I have already mentioned this all commands and tricks in my previous video. So this way I have taken the reference line for the stairs. Now I will give the risers. As you can see, there are 3 risers. This is first, second and third. So I will give 3 risers of 0.2. So L, enter, click here, type 0.2, enter, take the snap from here and click here. Now again 0.2 above, enter, take the snap from here, enter, again 0.2, enter. In this way continue this line, and this is your plinth level. So this way your stairs are ready, and delete the rest of the lines which are not needed. So we will use trim command, TR, enter, enter. Remember to trim the line from its very end. It's nothing some rocket science, but it will be easy to trim all the lines, and the last line you can delete it. Now if we imagine it properly, then the chhajja for these windows will be also visible from the front view. So to draw that, L, enter, and I will take the reference from here, the topmost point of window, continue till here, this way. So I have taken the snap from the topmost point of window from here, and using that snap I have made this point on the left side of my wall, and make a line of 0.2, enter, make a line above 0.1, enter, and again a 0.2, and this way you have made your chhajja. Similarly I will make for this. Again L, enter, take the snap from this point, continue till here, 0.2, enter, 0.1, enter, and close this way, taking the snap. So as you will practice the AutoCAD, that will make you easier to use the snap, and by using the snap you can draw the plan very fast. So this way my ground floor is ready and I will make the slab. So to make the slab, offset it, O enter for 0.125, enter this way and join this line. Select the line, click on the topmost point and continue it till the slab this way. So this way I have completed the front view of my ground floor. Now similarly I will do for top floor. Same way I can take the reference line, or else I will copy this line. So to copy, click this line, command is CO, enter. Give the base point. So the base point will help us to take the object. Take the snap from this point, continue it till below, enter. This way I have copied it. Now similarly I will copy all this. CO, enter. Take the reference point. Select all the lines. CO, enter. Click on the point this way. Now I will make the balcony. To make the balcony, I will select this line and use the offset command, O enter, for 1 meter. 1, enter. This way. Now as you can see, my balcony is still only this much. So I will take the reference line, L enter, or else I will take the snap directly, click here for the first point and then here, and I will trim this extra line, TR, enter, enter. This way my balcony is ready. And again for the chhajja, or else of making it, I will select this and copy it, CO, enter. Select the base point. So now as you can see, I am just selecting this as a base point because for both it will be similar. Click on this point, enter. Our chhajja is also made. Now I will make this door. So to make this door, again I will take the reference from this point, till down, and I will take the reference from the top of the window. Or else directly 2 meter, T2, enter. For the width I will give for the width of the door, I will take the snap from this point this way, and then I will continue it only here. TR, enter, enter to delete this extra line. So this way my front view of this first floor is also ready. Now I will copy this both Now I will copy this both. So to copy it, select, first of all select them, CO, enter, give the base point, and I will copy it here. Press the point and enter. Now I will copy this first floor elevation on the ground floor elevation. Rather, I will move it. To move it, M, enter. So first of all select the whole, then M, enter. Specify the base point and move it to point here. So this way I have moved the first floor elevation above the ground floor elevation, and now I will make the parapet wall. So again I will offset this line, O, enter, for 1 meter, enter, this way, and again I will continue this line, stretch this line. To stretch, first of all select the line, click on the extreme point and continue till here. Same way for the second side, and this way my elevation for this 2D plan is ready. So this way we can do the 2D elevation from any plan, and you can practice it by doing the elevation of rest 3 sides. So that's all for today's tutorial, and to watch how I have made this 2D plan, the link is given in description. Also, I have made a 3D model of this AutoCAD plan in SketchUp software, and link of the video is also given in description. So I will meet you in the next lecture. So till then, keep practicing. Bye bye.